Hey guys, what's up? If you're looking for Android Auto wirelessly, this thing works wonders. We're gonna go outside in a second and show you how good it works. Hold on one sec. Let's go outside. All right, so we're in the car. All right, sorry, I'm using an iPad to film this so I can show you my phone. All you do is plug this little guy in, connect it to Bluetooth, and check it out. Let's start the car. Right, let's see. Should just automatically connect. No wires, nothing. For $89, this thing is awesome. Okay. It takes a couple seconds though. All right, found it. And bam. So wireless, check it out. Boom. Let's go to the home screen. There you go. No problem. So the other thing why I wanted this is because every time I was driving and I'd be on Waze or whatever, it would just disconnect. The screen would go black. So I was like, I don't want cord anymore. So if you do get this, make sure you get some 3M tape. I need to get some 3M tape. Just basically just tap it up there, shut it down. Awesome. And again, the wireless charging right there. All right, hope this helps out.